Fraudsters are smart enough to use free or disposable email addresses to try to mask their true identity and avoid detection. Therefore, such email addresses can be an indicator of fraud. Merchants should exercise caution when handling orders associated with free email addresses. Fraudsters commonly exploit free email providers like Gmail, Yahoo and so on to create fake email addresses for fraudulent purposes. Beware of those strange email addresses that do not contain recognizable names or words. Fraudulent email addresses often contain nonsensical combinations of letters, numbers, or misspelled words. In addition, merchants should also be wary of customers who provide multiple email addresses for the same order. For example, a fraudster may use different email addresses for order placement and shipping or billing information. Merchants should be cautious of customers who make numerous orders within a short time. Fraudsters may attempt to place a huge volume of orders by using different email addresses to overwhelm merchants. Furthermore, the location of the email addresses should be verified. Fraudsters may use email addresses that are associated with a different geographic location than the shipping or billing address provided. Online merchants should scrutinize the email address used in an online transaction in order to prevent fraudulent transactions. Employing fraud prevention solutions like FraudLabs Pro can automate the email verification process. Protect your business by utilizing FraudLabs Pro for free now.